We're here in Arizona, so humidifiers are a big deal. We've got this massive 8.5 liter humidifier to check out. This is what it looks like in the box. Let's go ahead and get it out of there and take a look at it. It looks like I got it upside down. Pull it out. It's in some nice foam. And once it's out of the box, it's a tower style. Very nice looking. There's this cartridge for the side that plugs into the side here for if you want to put some aromatherapy in there, and it clips in. There's a couple of there's a handle there to carry it around. You've got a thing on the top where you can install a cartridge to get cooler, and then you push the button and it'll turn on. The display is over here on the side. You can cycle through the different settings, and you hold the button to turn it off. There's a window on the side to show you how full the reservoir is, and look how easy it is to fill. So a very cool looking tower humidifier that'll work for the entire room. I should probably put some water in there if I don't want it to. I need to put some water in there. So that's what it looks like when it's out of the box. Hope that helps.